Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the spicy Thai salad. It's very famous in Thailand. That is spicy cockle salad recipe. And combined with a bit of the mango, and the taste are spicy, salty, and a bit of sweet. That is very delicious. First, we're gonna boil the cockles by heat the water into the pot until it's boiling, and then put the cockles in the boiling water for a few minutes. For me, I use for 2 minutes, and it will make it a cook or it's well done. And then remove from the heat and remove from the shell. We're gonna put some of the mango, but if you don't want, you can skip it. It's no problem. And then we need to slice the mango into the small pieces. And also slice some of the shallot and the chili, and then let's make the salad. First, we're going to add some chili and 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice. And add 1 tablespoon of the fish sauce and also the pickled fish. For this recipe, if you don't want to add the pickled fish, you can use for fish sauce same as the lemon juice. But today I use 2 tablespoons of the pickled fish and 1 tablespoon of the sugar or the syrup, and then mix it well. And then we're gonna add the shallot and also the mango and the cockles and mix it well. And now it's ready to serve. And put some of the peanut to make it more crunchy when we eat together. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.